Hello, 5th standard students. Welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson fractional numbers. Now coming to the topic addition and subtraction of fractions. We'll see the examples. In the first example, it is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 6. So here we have to convert the fractions into like fractions. Means what? The denominator you have to make the same. Then you have to add the numerators. Okay. So when there are the unlike fractions, then you have to convert into like fractions. Like fractions means the denominator is same. Now 3 by 8 plus 1 by 6. 8 and 6. Just like the this one LCM comparison. Same way we have to do. Okay, 8 and 6. Take the LCM. You got 24. Convert 3 by 8 into denominator with the 24. You will be getting 9 by 24. And here 1 by 6. So 6 fours are 24. 1 fours are 4. So you will be getting 9. Write the question 3 by 8 plus 1 by 6. And write first 3 by 8 का कितना आया 9 by 24 plus 4 by 24 is equal to denominator is 24. So 9 plus 4 is 13. You got 13 by 24. Now subtract 3 by 5 from 7 by 10. फ्रॉम के बाद जो लिखा जाता है उसको फर्स्ट लिखने का है ना सब्ट्रैक्शन में. सो 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. So what we have to do? Take the LCM. So आपको LCM मिला 10. कैसे? तो 2 5 10. 2 5 का 5 ही रखो. 5 1 5 1. So LCM is 2 into 5 is 10. Now convert 7 by 10 to denominator 10. Already है into 1. So 7 by 10. Now this is 3 by 5 into 2 is 10. So 3 2s are 6. So it will be 7 by 10. Question 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10 minus 6 by 10 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 by 10. Okay. Now coming to addition. So how to add? So first write the denominators, take the LCM. 2 5s are 10. 2 15 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 5 as it is. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. Now take 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Now convert 3 by 10 into 10 how much are 30? 10 3s are. So 3 3s are 9. Now 7 by 15. 15 how much are 30? 15 2s are. 7 2s are 14. 1 by 6. 6 how much are 30? 6 5s are 30. So 1 5s are 5. So write the question. Write 9 by 30. 14 by 30, 5 by 30. You got when you add it will be 28 by 30 divide by 2 means you have to convert into the lowest term. देखो 28 and 30 किसी का तो टेबल में आएगा छोटा हो सकता है तो 2 में डिवाइड होगा so that is why 2 1s are 2 2 4s are 8 2 15s are 30. So that was about the example. Okay. Now coming to the sums we will now solve. Okay. सबको याद है ना कैसे करने का है? सबसे पहले क्या करने का है? LCM निकालने का है ना? 7 and 14. So 14 is a even number. So start with 2. 7 as it is. 2 7s are 14. So abhi 7. 7 1s are 1s are. LCM is equal to 2 7s are 14. So 4 by 7, convert with the denominator 14. 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. Now 11 by 14. कैसे करने का? 14 1s are 11. अभी क्वेश्चन लिखो, 4 इधर का मेन क्वेश्चन लिखो, 4 by 7 प्लस 11 by 14 इज इक्वल टू 4 by 7 का क्या है? इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन 8 by 14 plus 11 by 14. 11 plus 8 is how much? 19. 19 by 14. Now which form is it? It is a improper fraction. Convert into the mixed number. 14 ones are 14. कितना बचा? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 5. So 5 in the numerator. Denominator is 14. डायरेक्ट ऐसे मिक्स्ड नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने का है. क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. So it is 8 and 6. They are even numbers. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Again even number is there. Put 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is. Again 2. 2 1s are 2, 3s as it is. 3, 1 and 3 ones. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now convert 5 by 8. 5 by 8 to denominator 24. 8 how much are 24? 8 3s are. 5 3s are how much? 5 3s are 15. Now 1 by 6. Denominator is 24. 6 how much are? 6 4s are 24. 1 4s are 4. So write the question. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 6. The question. Now 5 by 8 का क्या आया? 15 by 24 plus 1 4 by 24. 1 by 6 का 4 by 24. Now add. It is a 19 by 24. Which type of fraction? It is a proper fraction. So no need. Keep it like that only. छोटा हो सकता है? नहीं. Keep it like that. Now the next question. 4, 5 and 10. Even number is there? Yes. Put 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 as it is. 2 5s are 10. 2 is there. Put 2. 1s are 5 as it is. 5 as it is. Now 5. 1. 1s are 1s are. So LCM will be how much? 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now 1 by 4 convert into the denominator 20. 4 5s are 20. 1 5s are 5. Now 2 by 5 convert to base 20. 5 4s are 20. 2 4s are 8. Now 7 by 10. Denominator 20. 10 2s are 20. 7 2s are 14. So question is what? The main question 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 10 is equal to what all you got? First is 5 by 20. Second is 8 by 20. And third is 14 by 20. Now add all. 5 plus 8, 10, 13. 13 plus 7, 17. 1. 1 plus 1, 2 by 20. Now it is a improper fraction. Convert into the mixed number. 20 ones are 20. कितना बचा? 7 by 20. So this is the final answer. Now coming to the question number D. Question number D. It is a 5 by 2, 1 by 8 and 3 by 4. So first step is what? Take the LCM. 2, 8, 4. The even numbers. So what we have to do? Start with 2. 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again 2. 1. 1s are 2. 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now convert 5 by 2. Convert to denominator 8. 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 5 4s are how much? 5 4s are 20. Now 1 by 8. Denominator 8. So it will be 8 1s are 1 1s are 1. Next is 3 by 4. Denominator convert to 8. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Now write the question. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 का कौन सा है? 20 by 8. 1 by 8 का 1 by 8. Now 3 by 4 का 6 by 8. Now add. Denominator is 8. 1 plus 6, 7. In the tens, it is 2. So 27 by 8. It is a improper fraction. Convert into the mixed number. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. So 8 threes are 24. 25, 26, 27. How much remain? 3. And denominator is 8 as it is. Clear? Direct. अभी आदत डालो कैसे द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को मिक्स नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने का है. नाउ द टेक द एलसीएम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 3, 10, 5. Are there any even numbers? Yes, 10. So 2, 3 as it is. 2 5s are 10, 5. So next number is 3. 1s are 5, 5 as it is. Now take 5. 1, 1s are 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 3 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Now what we have to do? Convert each fraction to the denominator 30. 3 tens are 30, 2 tens are 20. 1 by 10. The denominator 30. 10 threes are 30, 1 threes are 3. Now 7 by 5. Denominator 30. 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42. Now write the question. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 10 plus 7 by 5. Now 2 by 3 means what? 20 by 30. 1 by 10 means what? 3 by 30. 7 by 5 means what? 42 by 30. Okay. Now we have got some big numbers. So how to add? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Now 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Now this is 5 and 0, ending with 5 and 0. So divide by 5. Convert into the lowest term first. Okay. So it is 5. How much are 65? If you don't know how you have to do, 5 ones are 5. How much remain? 1. 6 में एक बचा तो इधर छोटे में डालो. 5 how much are 15? 5 threes are 15. अभी 5 how much are 30? 5 6 are 30. अभी this is a improper fraction. Convert into the mixed number. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So 6 2s are 12. How much is remaining? 13 में 1. So 2 1 by 6. Clear? Now coming to question number F. Now the denominator is 3, 33 and 11. Now you can't put 2, no even numbers. Put 3. 1s are 3, 11s are 11. Next is 11. 1, 1s are 1. So LCM is equal to 3 into 11. That is 33. Now 1 by 3. Convert to denominator 33. 3 11s are 1 11s are 11. Now next is 12 by 33. Convert to denominator 33. Already it is there, multiplied by 1. So that is 12 by 33. Now 2 by 11. Convert to base 33. So 11 3s are 2 3s are 6. So write the question. 1 by 3 plus 12 by 33 plus 2 by 11. Okay. So 1 by 3 का क्या आया? 11 by 33. 12 by 33 as it is. Next 2 by 11 का कितना आया? 6 by 33. Now write the denominator as it is. Now add the numerator. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now 10 side. 1 plus 1, 2. Now it is a proper fraction. Keep it like that. Is it a term? Lowest term में लेके जाने का है? नहीं. Already lowest term में है. That is the final answer. So एडिशन, हॉरिजॉन्टल एडिशन आप लोगों को सीखने का है. हॉरिजॉन्टल एडिशन मतलब क्या है? वंस वंस, टेंस टेंस, हंड्रेड्स हंड्रेड्स, ऐसे आप लोगों को ऐड करने को सीखने का है. डायरेक्ट एडिशन, डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्शन, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन एंड ऑल यू हैव टू लर्न. ओके, so that was about the question number F. Now coming to the question number G. It is 2, 4 by 4, 1 by 3 and 7 by 5. Now you can't do directly. First convert into the what? The improper. Now 2 can be written as 2 by 1. हमेशा हमें डिनोमिनेटर चाहिए है ना इधर. So 2 का मतलब 2 by 1. Now 4, 1 by 3. 3 write as it is. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 plus 7 by 5. Now the same method. So what we will do? 1, 3 and 5. It is first is 3. 2 नहीं डाल सकते हैं, even number नहीं है. 1s are 5 as it is. 5 1s are 1s are 1s are. So LCM is equal to 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 2 by 1, 15. 1 how much are 15? 1 15s are. So 15 2s are is 30. Now 13 by 3. Convert to 15. 3 how much are? 5s are. 13 5s are is 65. So 5 का टेबल प्लीज आप लोग ये थोड़ा इजी याद रखो तो कैलकुलेशन में इजी पड़ेगा. Now next is what? 7 by 5. 7 how much? 5 how much are 15? 5 3s are. 7 3s are 21. अंडरस्टूड. पहले डिनोमिनेटर को पूछने का, फिर वही नंबर से न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई. सो नाउ इट इज अ क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? राइट द मेन क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ. 2 plus 4 1 by 3 plus 7 by 5. ओके. सो 2 by 1 का फर्स्ट का कितना आया? 30/15। सेकेंड का कितना आया 65/15। थर्ड का कितना आया 21/15, है ना। अभी डिनोमिनेटर पहले लिखो और इसको ऐड करो। 1 + 5 6, 6 + 0 6। Now go to the 10 side. 2 + 6 8, 8 + 3 11। अभी 1 1 6 आया। 15 का टेबल मालूम है। 15 का टेबल में 15 7 105। आपको इतना भी तकलीफ होता है तो इधर साइड में नहीं तो रफ वर्क में करो। 15 का टेबल में कहाँ आता है 15 7 105, 15 8 120। इसके लिए 8 नहीं डाल सकते हैं, अभी थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर है इसके लिए रफ वर्क में करो। 6 - 5 is 1, 1 - 0 is 1, 1 - 1 is 0। सो कितना बचा 11। सो here how will you write? The quotient is 7, remainder is 11, and the denominator, that is divisor, as it is. So this is the answer. Okay. Now coming to the question number 4H, that is convert first into what? The improper. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25/6. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Now next step is take the LCM. 6 5 3. Start with 2. 3s are 6, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. Next is 3. 1s are 5 as it is, 1s are 5. 1, 1s are 1. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Are we understanding? Okay. अभी कंटिन्यूसली ऐसे ही सम्स करते आ गए, अभी तो कॉन्फिडेंस आने का है। ओके, नाउ कन्वर्ट 25/6 टू डिनोमिनेटर 30। 6 5s are 30, 25 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12। तो आपको मिला 125/30। नाउ 12/5, denominator 30, 5 6 30, 12 6 मालूम नहीं है तो 6 2s are 12, 1 in hand, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7। Next is 4/3, denominator 30, 3 how much are 3 10s are, so 4 10s are 40, isn't it? Now write the main question. 4 1/6 plus 2 2/5 plus 1 1/3. Now write what all you got, that everything you write. So first का कितना आया 125/30 plus second का कितना आया 72/30। थर्ड का कितना आया 40/30। ओके, डिनोमिनेटर पहले लिख के ले लो। 0 + 2 2, 2 + 5 7। अभी 4 + 7 11, 11 + 2 13, 1 in hand, 1 + 1 2। सो पहले वंस टेंस देन हंड्रेड्स। अभी ये देखो, ये 2 में नहीं जाता है लेकिन 3 में जाता है। ठीक है, 3 के टेबल में जाता है। 3 10s, लेकिन ये नंबर कैसे देखने का 7 + 3 10, 10 + 2 12, 12 3 के टेबल में आता है, इसके लिए ये 3 में जाता है। ये आप लोगों को आगे के क्लास में आप लोगों को ये डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट एक रूल बताया जाता है, कौन से नंबर से डिवाइड होता है देखने के लिए एक रूल है। सो 3 के लिए क्या करने का है, ऐड द डिजिट्स एंड जो सम आता है सी वेदर इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, मतलब 3 का टेबल में आता है या नहीं। तो 7 + 3 10, 10 + 2 12, 12 3 के टेबल में है, इसके लिए ये भी 3 में जाएगा। तो आप लोग 3 से डिवाइड करो तो कितना आए आपको, 2 3 10 जा, लेकिन न्यूमरेटर 3 7 जा 21, 2 बचा है ना, 21 22 23, 2 बचा, 2 एंड 7, 2 एंड 7 इकट्ठे करेंगे तो कितना हो गया, 27, 3 9 जा 27। अभी आप लोगों को मिला 79/10। नाउ 10 हाउ मच जा 79, 10 7 जा 70। ओके 10 7 जा 70, कितना बचा, 9/10। Is it clear? So that was about the question number H. Now coming to question number I. In I, it is a 7, 9/10 and a 2/3. So what we have to do, 7/1 है ना, इधर 7 को डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, पहले लिखो, फिर 9/10 प्लस 2/3। अभी क्या आया, 1 10 and 3, 10 is a even, start with 2, 1 2 5s are 10, 3 as it is. Now 3 1 5 as it is, 3 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, now 7/1 convert to denominator 30. So numerator denominator multiply by 30. 7 zeros are 0. 7 3s are 21. Now next is 9/10. Denominator 30. 10 3s are 30. 9 3s are 27. Third is 2/3. Denominator is 30. 3 10s are 30. 2 10s are 20. Okay. Now what we have to do? Write the question. 7 plus 9/10 plus 2/3. So first what you got? 210/30 plus second कितना, 27/30. Third is 20/30. Now add, denominator is 30. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. Now come to the 10 side. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now in the 100 side it is 2. Now it is a 257 upon 30. अभी ये नहीं होता है तो 3 का टेबल में देखो कैसे करेंगे, 7 + 5 12, 12 + 2 14, नहीं होता है। सो 10 का टेबल में भी नहीं है तो कन्वर्ट इनटू द व्हाट, द मिक्स्ड नंबर। सो इसके लिए आपको चाहिए तो इधर 257 डिवाइड बाय 30। 3 हाउ मच जा 25, 3 हाउ मच जा 3 8 जा 24 है ना। सो 8 0 ये अंदाजा लगाने के लिए, तो अभी देखो 8 0 जा 0, 8 3 जा 24। 9 डालने के लिए 27 आता है, बड़ा है, सो 7 बचा, 5 - 4 is 1। Got? What is the answer? The quotient is 8, remainder is 70, and the denominator is the divisor, that is 30. Is it clear? So, we have completed the addition of fractional numbers. Hope everyone understood. Please, all the students, watch the video properly, understand it, and write in the main book, and again write it in the revision notebook. Is it clear? Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.